y'all, welcome to the Style Chronicles. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're a new subscriber, please don't forget to hit the notifications bell so you'll be notified of all of my recent uploads as they occur. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for continuing to be a part of my Style Chron family. I really do appreciate you. On Instagram, I am at the Style Chron, C-H-R-O-N, and I'll leave the link down below. But I do post on Instagram pretty regularly and then here on my channel every Tuesday and Thursday. Today's video is going to be about my first Stitch Fix haul. I'm excited. I went ahead and subscribed to Stitch Fix. It's $20 styling fee monthly. It's a really neat system. You go in, you fill out a bunch of questions, sizes and different things. Questions they ask you, styling questions, and then you speak with the stylist then styles you according to your measurements and what you kind of like. You can attach your Pinterest board to your page, and from there they send you a box. They don't know what's in it. There's no way to know online what's in it in your profile or anything until you actually get it, and then you have 3 days to try everything on, see if you like it, grow to like it, or send everything back. And that $20 is deducted from anything that you purchase. If you send it all back, you forfeit the $20, of course. But I find it very, very neat concept to be able to receive styled clothing. I'm hoping that some of these things are things I would not pick up for myself usually. It kind of gets you out of your comfort zone into new styles or maybe even trends that you might like. So I'm excited to give it a try. I have tried other styling services, and I have subscribed to one other one, which I'm excited to receive shortly as well, and then do a comparison as to how much I like them. So let me go ahead and get started with the Stitch Fix. It comes packaged very nicely. The envelope says, your stylist thought these would look great on you, Stitch Fix, and then you open it and there are more papers. The first is a card. So welcome to Stitch Fix. Here's what you need to know. Number 1, discover and decide. 2, share your thoughts on stitchfix.com. And then number 3, send it back. That's it, a new you in one tiny box. So that's a nice little card. The other two that go with it, oh, this is neat. These are styling cards. So they give you, I won't look, but they give you ideas as to what to wear with the pieces they send you, which is very, very nice. And lastly, thanks for letting us style you. This is, oh, a rundown. I'll show you there. A rundown of all the items and how much they are to purchase. So first up are these shoes, which I have to look at. These are the violet and red Desiree suede sandals, and I'm a size 7.5 in cobalt. Oh, they're pretty blue. Oh, that is cute. That is cute. Those are really cute. These are nice. I'll be very honest right off the bat. These are not shoes that I would pick for myself. They're not shoes that I would wear. I don't necessarily care for the top. You guys know I'm a huge high heel wedge person. I like height. These are a little too flat for me, but they are very, very pretty. I love that cobalt blue shade a lot. And I don't actually have anything in a casual shoe this color. I have pumps that are dressy, but not this color. So, okay. Oh, wow. This shirt is really pretty, this blouse. Okay, here's this one. How beautiful that is. That is so pretty. I would definitely have picked this for myself. I love the vibrant blue. You guys know I love wearing that cobalt, and I love the pop of the red flower against everything. And this is the Skies Are Blue Heidi Cold Shoulder Ruffle Blouse in cobalt. It's a size small. That is very, very pretty. This is different. I would not have picked this at all for myself. We'll see how that fits. It's pretty. Oh, it's got a scalloped neckline. That is too cute and scalloped. This is pretty. This is the 9 Britain Frankel scallop neckline blouse in off-white small. I would not have chosen that, but I do like it. It's very, very pretty. It's very subdued for floral. Very pretty. Very soft. Ooh, jeans by Pistola. Pistola denim. Audrey mid-rise skinny. Right, let's see. The Audrey mid-rise Charlotte distressed uneven frayed skinny hem jeans. So there are, oh, look at the hem. That's cute. I like frayed hems like that. And here's the front. Not too much distressing, just a little bit around the pockets, but it does have the frayed hem. I like the color. I like the color very much. It's getting away from the summer light wash, but not quite dark, so you could still dress them up if you wanted to, but they're very casual feel, so I do like that. Oh, and lastly, here's the return package, which is neat. Okay, and lastly, this from the Kaylee Backs and Back Detail Knit Dress. Oh, that's cute. I do like the gray and white stripe, and I do like little summer dresses like this very, very much. So I'm excited. This one is pretty. Look how pretty. There's the back. The back is nice. Wow, I do like that very, very much. We'll have to try it on and see. I like the neckline. So I'm excited. There's some really pretty items in here. Definitely some things I would have chosen for myself. Let's go ahead and start with the cobalt blue. This I do like a lot. I really do like the colors. It is something I would wear with a pair of white shorts or white blue jeans or regular blue jeans. You could easily wear it into the fall with a bright red blazer, and it's really, really pretty. So I do like that very, very much. This I think is very pretty. I love the neckline. I absolutely love the neckline. I don't care for the sleeves. For me, if it was sleeveless, I would like it a lot more. I feel like it would be a little bit more flattering, but this is a beautiful blouse. If you're, you know, for like office wear, a little bit more modest for work, which is nice. You tuck it into a pencil skirt or a pair of slacks. It's beautiful, and I really do like the color palette. It's not something I would have chosen because of the color palette. It's softer than I tend to go for, which I think is nice. So I really do like this. Really, you know, would take me out of my comfort zone, and I do like that a lot. I like the challenge because it is different. It's not me. This is very much me. This is a little different from that, so I do like that a lot. And I do like that blouse. The neckline I think is stunning. It's beautiful. Okay, these blue jeans I do love. I love the bottom. They fit perfectly, and the distressing is nice. You could get a lot of wear all summer long for date nights, or you know, when you go out to have dinner, dressing it up with a blazer if you need to. All well into the fall, you can, you know, always do jeans in the fall. They're just such year-round staple. I loved the way these jeans fit. They felt so nice on until I edited this video and saw how much pooling they do around my knees. They're so baggy, and I would not have known if I hadn't have seen it on video, but I'm sending these back. They just don't fit me the right way. Year-round staples that I really do like those. And this one, which this is very disappointing because I really do like this dress a lot. But to me, I feel like it just looks like a sack on me. It doesn't flatter, it doesn't hit my legs where I like for it to hit, and you can see that when I show you in the video. There's just certain ways that I need things to fit my body for it to be flattering, and this is not flattering. It makes my legs look enormous, and it's very baggy around the belly and, you know, back area. It just hangs. So for me, this looks a little bit more like a sack on me. It's not as flattering as I would like for a t-shirt dress to be. They don't need to be necessarily snug and tight. You want them to breathe. They're t-shirt dresses. They should skim, but there shouldn't be so much excess fabric. So I love, love, love this, and I'm sad that I have to send it back, but I feel like if maybe an extra small would have been a little better, but it would still need to lose some of the length at the bottom to be flattering for me. 2 out of the 5 pieces I do really, really like very, very much. This shirt I'm very on the fence about. I like it. I don't know if I like it enough to love it. I like it. There's just something different about it that is not typical of what I would pick out for myself. So I do like that very, very much. The shoes and the dress, like I said, they're no-goes for me, which is unfortunate because when you keep an entire box, they take 25% off of everything in there. So the Kaylee dress is $48. The Pistola jeans are $88. The Britain shirt is $38, and then the suede sandal are $69, which they're very, very cute. And then the blue ruffle cobalt blouse is $54. So I think that's a good price point for this. I would have paid about $50, $60 for a blouse this kind of style anyway. Usually that's what I would have paid. This is relatively cheaper than what I would typically pay for a blouse, for $38. That's a really good buy. The jeans for $88 is really middle of the road for me. Most of my blue jeans are Express, which are about that kind of price point anyway. I do have some designer jeans that are well over $100, which I also love. So they're good jeans, I think. 25% off of a $297 subtotal was $74.25, so it brings it to $22.75 minus my styling fee, which is a purchase credit for $20. It brings the total to $202.75. So not bad overall for 5 pieces. Unfortunately, like I said, I won't wear 2 of them. So I'm definitely gonna play around. Let me know what you think I should keep and what I should send back. I do know the 2 items that I will send back for sure, but yeah, I'd like to know your opinion. It definitely pulls you out of your comfort zone. It definitely makes you really think about the items that you are wearing or would wear typically. And you really have to be a stickler for what you typically like. So even though I love those shoes, I love the shade, they're not flattering to me. And if things are not flattering to you, you're not gonna feel good wearing them. You're not going to want to wear them. They will go in my closet and live there until I decide to donate them or sell them in a year or 2 because I never wore them. So that's how you kind of have to go about looking at things. And even though it is a good deal what you're getting, some of these items are just things I will not wear, and I don't want them to go in my closet and die, so I would rather just return them and just keep what I like. But I do, feel like this is a good service. I do like it. It is my first box. Maybe once I establish a good relationship with my stylist, she knows what I like and what I prefer. Once she kind of learns my preferences and my styles, maybe my boxes will improve. I don't know. So I'm going to continue to receive the box and do these kinds of reviews so you guys can see Stitch Fix and the items that I'm receiving and how it pans out for me. So I have on my Kendra Scott earrings, the large earrings in they're green. It's like a jade almost. And then I have on the Tarte Maneater eyeshadow palette. I love that palette. On my cheeks, MAC Blush Baby and Gingerly Blushes. I have on the Urban Decay contour palette with the highlight from the palette. And for my lips today, I have NYX's or NYX retractable lip liner in Vanilla Sky. Pretty. And then on top of that, I have the Too Faced Sweet Peach Creamy Peach Oil Lip Gloss in Peachsicle on that. Very, very pretty, smells like peach. It's very moisturizing for your lips. I do love wearing it as well. So that's what I have on my lips. My shirt, it's just a t-shirt tank from Old Navy. So thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.